where's your actual? No, your phone's right there. Good morning.
Good morning.
It's been a while, huh?
Yeah.
Good morning.
Good morning, guys. This is Toly with Toly's Detail and Family Vlogs. Here's another video vlog, or whatever you want to say.
Another day.
Another day. We got 2 mobile stops, and then we got another one big. Not that big, but
messy.
yeah, a big detail package at the shop.
A messy package.
A messy package, yeah. So probably do another fast, like hyperlapse and all that. 3 vehicles, yeah. We got 3 vehicles here.
Look at the dumpster this time. What? The,
Oh, what?
What's going on?
I don't know.
Oh, not that much trash, huh?
But
Is it a central, like you said?
Yeah, he said a Central. He doesn't. I asked him what he said. Hey, 3 cars tomorrow. I know those 2. I didn't know this one. And he's like, he's a Central.
What is this, a Ford?
Yeah. Yes, 3 cars, and then, okay, what kind of car is it? Yes, it's a Sentra. It's
Okay. You know where to go?
kind of. I'm looking at the navigation.
Oh, you did put it on.
After that, we got some Krispy Kreme.
Yep.
We're gonna surprise the kids afterwards, because this is another spot that we gotta go for mobile. After this, we're gonna probably pick up our kids because they're a week off from school right now. Bring them to the shop while we try to work on that Honda Odyssey. It's like interior detailing with exterior.
He called, by the way, this morning.
Water spot removal.
He ordered the paint. It's coming tomorrow, so he'll try to bring it tomorrow.
Okay. He wants me to touch up a few things. Told him it's not gonna be perfect, and I'm not gonna charge you for anything because I'm just gonna literally like draw, you know. So.
Yeah, it's gonna look icky. I'm gonna go sit on the spot because I'm so cold. Ooh, it's a little dirty.
Yeah, that's the car. That's
That's
the
the
floor
only
mats.
thing that's dirty ever. It's beautiful. It is beautiful. Okay, back to sunbathing. It's so cold today.
Yeah, make sure you get evidence what you do when I do this.
Yes, today I'm trying to warm up.
Just don't get a sunburn on those jeans or that sweater.
Thanks. You did a very good job. I approve this message, this cleaning.
Message.
Bye.
How is this a message? Bye. Okay, wrong.
Bye.
Now we're back at the shop. This is what we got going on. This is the Honda Odyssey. Exterior, it's kind of filthy right now, so yeah. We're not doing much on exterior. We're doing a wash, and then we're gonna try to remove all the water spots. So pretty much we're gonna be working from this fender, the hood, bumper, window, and we're gonna go around this way to the back area. So if come look closer, you can see how nasty it looks. Yeah, there's just water spots. You can see the water spots. It's pretty bad on here. It's caked on. Yeah, there's a big old scratch here. So eventually he's bringing me some paint touch-up. It ain't gonna be perfect because how bad it is, you know. But what can I say? The guy doesn't want to pay for a new paint job, but yeah. So all the water spots. I'm gonna be doing the chemical treatment on the outside with G-Technic sealant spray on the exterior. So that's what we're gonna be doing on the outside. He didn't want paint enhancement. He didn't want to wash and wax, even though I am applying silica sealant for him, spray on, I guess. But interior, well, let me just go ahead and show you guys the interior. Wear gloves. Fuck.
Yes.
Look at this.
Yeah.
This.
The seats, especially the seats. I think that's gonna. Ew. But
Okay.
why did you touch that?
I don't know.
The seats?
Yeah. Yeah, it's nasty.
The seats are the worst. The back isn't as bad as those.
But yeah, we'll definitely get the seats out because of all this. Oh, they got my queen over there.
Huh?
Well, we definitely have to do a lot of stuff that we gotta take out.
Yeah.
Huh. It's not in that great of a shape, and I want to say it's not that
Horrible, yeah.
horrible. I mean, it's bad.
Looks like it's gonna come out pretty okay.
Yeah, the headliner. Yeah, I got a little bit of stains here and there. So I think
really working on those wheels, huh?
well, yeah, come on, it's a detail. When I do maintenance wash, I only try to rush, but when, you know, they pay me for a detail, I think it's worth it. Can you get a little closer into here?
Was it really bad here? I don't remember how it was.
Here, up in here. Like back a little bit back. Well, this is scratches.
I know. It's okay.
This is scratches, so we can't do nothing about that. But all up in here, all in there. Okay. So now you want to see the rim? What?
Yeah, let's go
Come
see.
look at this one.
Oh.
And then we can go look at the front one over there.
Oh.
So you see
Yeah.
all up in here. And then up here, look.
Oh yeah. Yummy.
Water spots. So there's sun here, so it's going to be more visible.
Oh. There you go. You can see. You might change your mind about selling it. It looks so good.
Okay, so I'm going to finish up the rim. I'm going to finish up the rims here. Can you go show the Mini Cooper of the Headlight restoration?
Yeah.
And I'll get on it after I'm done with the wheels here.
Okay. Toly did this bike about 2 weeks ago or a week ago. And while he was picking up his bike, he saw Toly working on a different car doing headlight restoration. And he's like, oh, my headlights need that. So, here we are. Oh, there's peeling going on. Uh-oh. So, I'm going to be working on that once he's done.
So
their
anyways,
sweaters on.
I usually do it with the DA polisher a little bit, and then I touch up with the little 3-inch pad so I can get the edge around really good, because DA polisher doesn't really work well with the edges. It's so much easier on your hands when you have the little 3-inch DA polisher and use the sanding discs. You know, these guys peel off the steak. It's that one. That side is peeling.
still, you
I think
never
this
know.
side. Yeah. Good job, wifey. It sticks really good to the chrome parts.
I'm worried about that on this side.
Some people don't like to tape them off when they use sanding by hand. You can control it more, and they don't, they don't tape it off. But I usually tape it off just for safety, safety reasons. What's the saying goes?
Better safe than sorry.
Yes, there you go. Better safe than sorry. And it's like right here, I think it's bubbling up. If I remember, I'm gonna start from this side. Like, see, it's chipping right there. Somewhere right here. We'll see it sooner or later. Ah, it's ripping. Hold on. Ah, there we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. Right there. See that?
Oh, you didn't take any off. Good job. Nice and clean.
Of course, you can't get it perfect, but I think it's way better than it was. Don't you think so?
As long as we don't get no more noise complaints.
Yeah.
One day.
So we've been working a lot, but we do our usual more mobile stuff. But we started getting more bigger jobs to the shop, so like details, headlight restoration, that type of deal. And for some reason, like I think this is like the second time already, an officer pulls up and like, hey, all you hear is the vacuum or like the compressors inside, right? That's the other stuff that we use. I mean, it is loud, but it's not loud. Like the sheriff pulls up and he goes, hey, we're receiving a noise complaint and the air compressor is going, vacuumer was on, and then we're like, who, what? Yeah, they said the detail guy, some screaming, some yelling, some music. Whatever he mentioned, none of that happened. So even if somebody did do something like that, I don't know who it was. I do have audio guys next to me that whenever they do put on a system, I guess they bump it sometimes, but even though I don't remember if I heard them or not.
It's Saturday.
And it was Saturday, yeah. And we're like, well, we do have the air compressor running, the vacuumer, we're telling him, and he's like, no, that shouldn't be a problem. That's nothing. And the sheriff goes like, you know what, I don't see any noise here or whatever, you guys gotta work, whatever. Okay, go ahead and continue. It was like 6 or 7 o'clock, I think. So yeah, it's not even 10 o'clock. Like, I mean, go ahead and knock yourself out. And he left. So that's twice that happened, but I don't know. Either they're probably making a mistake with paint guys or the audio guys or whatever.
They like to bump it.
Yeah, well, yeah, they do bump some music and all that.
During the daytime.
So I think they're mistaken, because you know what's the funny thing? If you go on Google Maps, you know how I have the website, all SEO, so it always pulls up my business around this area. Yeah. If you Google this area, 5800, none of these shops, there's going to be no companies out here. It's going to pull up Toly's Detailing.
Does it say anybody else? Yeah.
Okay. So this is the front area right here. Actually military surplus, but here's the shops. This is our shops. This is our shops right here. Yeah. And what does this show?
Toly's Detailing.
The only person. So now show the shop this way.
Yeah.
So.
You're the troublemaker, huh?
Nope. I just like. Oh, you know what? I gotta get some shots before it gets too dark.
It's really, really dark. Probably guys.
Okay. Let me see. This is some of the pictures that I'm going to be posting to Google Photos. Because look at this. Last time. Oh.
Can you put the sealer on before you clip to?
Look at this. It's pretty bad.
Yeah.
And then last time. Oh wait, that's the fence I did. Where is it? Oh, the headlights right here. I'm so mad that I didn't get after shot. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. Okay, so I don't know if you can see in the hyperlapse, but it pretty much caught my. I think it got my wife. I had a little bit in here. You'll see.
Okay.
She was actually vacuuming, blowing out, and getting the stuff out. So did you get everything out of the trunk, out of the doors, out of the glove box, all the stuff? So up in here. So you just pretty much prepped vacuuming and taking out all the extra stuff.
Yes.
While I was working on this headlight restoration, my wifey did some of the vacuuming here. You can kind of see how gross it is.
Those things are still like there's a
on.
You have to spray the clear on
Yeah.
it.
Well, now is the detailing part. So, I mean, I did take out these seats.
Yeah.
So we got everything empty. So I think we're not going to be doing much
Tonight?
Yeah.
Maybe wash like the seats.
The outside seats? Well, all the seats? You're talking about in and out?
Yeah, why not? It's
I'm
only
down.
6 o'clock. It's not that late. Oh, they're here.
Yeah.
You can hear them a mile away.
Good, how are you? Yeah, so,
Yay!
I don't have my phone, huh?
I have the flashlight. Is it on the flashlight?
Yeah. So you can kind of stand it from the back.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
So, yeah, it looks like, I don't know, somebody probably sprays some kind of coating.
Really?
Yeah, you can come a little closer. No, meaning that's what usually happens. It kind of bubbles up
Oh,
and,
okay.
and fills up. That's the whole thing. So, pretty much for a good headlight restoration, you have to remove all that coating that they've applied before. So,
Guy before thought he was gonna do me a good deal.
They do. Oh, yes. Oh, so wait, somebody did this for you?
Yeah, a long time ago.
Okay.
It's a quick thing. It was nothing like intense
Oh yeah.
or anything.
So yeah, well, this is pretty much I had to remove everything. So I kind of saw that that it was kind of something was applied, but I wasn't so sure. I was like, it's not perfect, but if you even like,
No, it looks nice.
It feels,
Yeah, it looks good.
it feels wonderful.
Hell yeah. That's great.
Well, what do you think? I mean, was it worth it?
Yeah, damn right it was good.